First game pa lang, 2 oras na.
Back to the ball game tayo. Nice number 27. Pass to, wala. 20 number 20. Overshoots. Rebound ng Procare. Steal. Higaan number 24. For the 3. Malakas ang tira. Number 8. Traveling violation. By 29, scoop the shot. Pasok yan, number 29. Number 8. Number 29. Basket is good.
Dead ball pare.
Mira ng 3. Number 22, Sablay. Rebound number 27.
Wait.
Number 27, number 29, 2 number 90, Dumikot. And there's a foul committed by number 29. First personal foul, number 29. Number 19 in the line.
Wala to kay palawa pare.
Sablay muna. Second free throw. Stepping. Substitution. Stepping the line violation. Kasi number 24. Tumira. Sablay. Ako ni number 19. Number 19. Rejected. Same ball possession. Pare, number 8. To number 19. Back to number 8. 3 seconds violation. Romero shot. There's a foul. Number 8 foul. Number 8 warning. Warning to graduate ka na, number 8. Fourth personal foul. Basket is good. Number 24. Number 29, out of bounds, substitution, pasok. Number 8 out, number 15, in. Kasi number 29, is foul. Number 23 is foul. Number 27 is foul. First personal foul, number 27.
Shot clock master.
Shot clock down to 8. Nakalusot si number 21. And nasibigan number 24, setting up, finds number 27. Number 27, finds number 24. Pulls the 3. Puts it in. 3. And nasibigan number 30, libre. Basket is good. Number 27.
Save time mo tayo.
Nabigaw number 13. Overshoots. Number 29, Barrera, forcing the offense. Sablay, rebound. Nakuha yan ng Biga. Number 27 to number 24. Number 24, pass to the wrong man. Nakuha ni number 27 to number 19. Barrera number 19. Libre sa number 21. 3 minutes 55. It is third. Out of bounds. Pass it.
Time out daw.
Ewan, prepare. Prepare, may dalawa pa kayong timeout. Sabi ka, may tatlo pa. Alright, back to the ball game. Number 24. Ramiro shot ni number 21. Number 20. Number 19 setting up, finds number 29 to number 11. Number 19, and there's a foul. Number 19 is foul, offensive. Number 21 to number 8. Pass number 29, Barrera. Sablay ang tira. Pass to. Nawala ang bola. 3 minutes 13. 46-36. The white team are down by 10 points. Yan is number 19. Finds number 29. Barrera pulls a 3. Sablay. And recovered. I think number 24. Number 27. Jumper. Basket is good. First score 48-36. Number 21, forcing, penetrates, short, put back shot, number 8. Number 24, pass to, easy jumper, number 27. Short, ang tira recovered by number 8. And ang biga, number 24, throws the 3, burning the arc, rebounds, number 24.
Time out daw.
Time out kaya, pre.
May time out po ba sila?
Oo, meron. Bali magiging isang time out kaya, pre. Hanggang port. May mo tayo isa eh.
Pass to the wrong man. Number 20. Number. Easy basket.
Saan time out nila?
Isa na lang ang timeout na Tropare.
Hanggang fourth quarter na yun.
Hanggang 4 quarter na yan, idol. Dito, tatlo pa. 1 minute 28 seconds left. Back to the ball game. As number 29 Barrera to number 8, forcing the offense. Won't go. Go ahead in number 27 to number 4. Easy basket and one basketball. What's foul?
Sino na foul? 24.
Number 21 is foul. Number 21 first. Alright, ball possession ng Tropare. Barrera to Castillo to number 19. Back to Barrera to Castillo. Forcing, short, recover number 8. Basket is good. Foul number 14. Foul number 8. Basket is good. The score 57-43. And as he began number 20, and there is a foul committed by number 29. Number 29, third personal foul.
Technical number 29 for resentment to a call.
Resentment to a call, technical number 29. Warning from graduate ka na. Fourth personal foul, Barrera.
Oh, out. Napalakpakan mo pa ako ha.
Out for the game.
Out of the playing court. Sino?
29.
Out of the playing court, number 29, Barrera. Pasok number 14. Sablay muna. Pangalawa. Number 14 to number 20. Number 8. Basket is good. Number 8. Time remaining 40 seconds. Prepare number 21 to number 27 to number 11. Pass to number 19. Nakalusot. That is good by number 21. Out of the court. All right, back to the ball game tayo. Inbound on the ball. Number 0. Number 14, Biga. To number 24. Number 24, perimeter. Overshoots. Rebound to Pare. To number 8. Number 8 penetrates. Basket is good. 7 seconds. Buzzer na lang marinig. Number 24. Pulls the 3. Sabay. That ends the third quarter of this game. 60-47 ang ating score in favor of Biga. Okay. white ball. Ang official score natin 60-47. Tropare number 19 setting up the play, finds number 11, drop pass, out of bounds. Number 14 to number 27, to number 14, to number 13, pass to number 27. Number 14 hesitates, penetrates, and that is a traveling violation. Bola ng Tropare. And number 27. Maganda-handa na ang susunod na paglalaban. RLIM versus Batya Community Pharmacy. Number 27. Airball. Number 27 in the paint. To number 11. Number 7. Short clock down to 7. Number 19 forcing the offense. And that is a traveling violation. 9 minutes remaining. Number 27, first perimeter jumper, one guard covered number. That is a foul. Number 11. Number 11, second personal foul. Second free throw, Saulay. Basket is good. Number 29. Number 19 penetrates. Pass number 11. Rondo. Rebound by number 29. To number 27. To number. Steal by number 27. Ng Tropare. They steal number 29. Bobres. Ito number 7. Back city. As Pineda, number 8, penetrates, pass to number 11, drop pass, binalik kay 11, fakes, 3 seconds violation, 8 minutes remaining. Ano ba ang substitution? Pasok. Number 21, impounding. As number 11, nawalang bola. Out of bounds. As number 27 to number 20. Crossover, forcing the offense, puts it in. Number 27. Beautiful isolation. Number 8 to number 11, pulls a 3, short, rebound number 15. Number 15 to number 19, basket is good. Number 27, 65-49, adding score. Number 27 to number, naipit, steal by Tropare, nawalang bola, St. Paul. Timeout. Bigga meron pa kayong dalawa. Tropare. Isa. Alright. Hey, mga bata! Back to the ball game now. 7 minutes remaining. shot, number 27. That is good. Number 8, Pineda. Pineda. Pass to the wrong man. Nasa ka number 29. Number 27, wala. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 19. Yan a steal by number 20. Easy basket, number 14. 20 points na ang kalamangan na Bigaa. Yan si number 20. Number 20, drop pass, side step, short. Number 11. And almost a steal. And that is a foul. That's foul rep. Oh, number 20, substitution. Number 20, first personal. Number 15. Number 8 to number 19. Basket is good. Number 40 inbounding the ball to number 27. 6 minutes remaining in this fourth. Number 27 penetrates. Pass to the wrong man. Five minutes remaining. 69-51. Repare, pass to number 15 to number 8. To number 15. Pass to number 19. Number 9, shot clock down to 5 seconds. Number 8 penetrates. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Basket yun. Good, good, good. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11, 3 points. Basket is good. 3. Number 24. Murado agad. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 11. Pass to the wrong man. Nakuha yan ni number 20. Number 20. Out of bounds. 4 minutes 56. That's number 15. That's number 21. Number 21. Pass to Libre. Basket score. Bigaa. Ang score natin, 72-56. 4 minutes 42. Meron pa kayong tigi isang timeout. Isang timeout sa Trapare. Isa na lang sa Bigaa din. Alright, back to the ball game. We only have 4 minutes and 42 seconds left in this fourth quarter. Nakalusot and one basketball. Number 20, who's foul up? Number 15. Number 15, first personnel. Sablay ang bonus. Same ball, possession, blocks ball. Maganda-handa na ang susunod na maglalaro. Batia Community Pharmacy and RLIM. Reverse shot. Number 0. Number 11. Nawalang bola. Same ball possession tayo. 4 minutes remaining. Number 8, nakalusot. Basket is good. And a steal by number 8, Pineda. Libre si number 11. To number 8, pass to number 11. 4-meter jumper. Basket is good. Kasi number 27. Number 27 to number 20. Easy basket. Minutes 33. Number 11 pulls a 3. 2 points lang. Sorry, 2 points. Number 11. 78-62. That's number 24. 3 minutes 18. Number 24 hesitation. Pulls a 3. Rejected. Recovered. Wala. Hawa pa rin nabiga number 8 yan. Back to number 8, pulls a 3. Supply, point to number 11. Nawala ang bola. Ipinasa ng kalaban, libre. Wala pa rin. Ako number 19. Number 19. That's number 11. In and out. Rebound, number 0. To number 27, nagpapadali. Libre na. Wala pa rin. Nakuha po rin yung number 24. Seal. Number 11. Easy basket. Come out. Easy basket by number 27. Ang score natin. 88-62. 2 minutes 26 remaining.
Okay lang yung good pa yun. Parang yung time.
Kaya pa ba yan?
Back to the ball game. Right, back to the ball game.
First game pa lang.
Okay pa sila. Number 8 to number 11. Number 15. This is Dilian. Number 27. Napakabilis. To number. Scopes. 1 go. Recovered. Number 0. Puts it in. Buenaventura. Number 0. There's number 21. Number 21. Forcing the offense. Floater. 1 go. Rebound in number 8. Number 8 steal. That's the number 21. Nawala ang bola. 1 minute 52. Supply, recover number 0. Puts it in. 1 minute 40. Number 21 forcing. Wala yan. Nakuli ni number 27. Number 27 to number 24. Pulls the 3. Supply. Nakuli number 8. Number 8 pulls the 3. Won't go. Recover number 0. And the score.
Good ball, idol.
Time, 1 minute 10.